We're going to be reviewing the Sexy Smooth Wax Hypnotic Purple Seduction. Look at the packaging, you guys. It's so cute. It's such a pretty color, you guys. Okay, so the wax, it's pretty much melted already, as it should be. Ready to wax. I'm going to go ahead and wax my underarms. But just by looking at it, I'm so obsessed with the color. From the looks of it, all of the hair is kind of just growing up, so we're gonna start it going like this, okay? Look at how pretty the wax is, you guys. It's so pretty. Look at it. Okay, laying it on there already, it already feels dry, so this dries really quick. And there's also no scent to this wax, you guys, which I prefer. I don't really like when the wax does have a smell. Some do, some don't, but I prefer it not to. So we're just gonna go ahead and breathe in and breathe out. So I guess I didn't pull it quick enough, which is why some breakage right here. But let's see. Roots. You see the roots right here? So we did get the hair from the root, which is really good. The only thing I have to say is it dries really quick, which means you just have to be super fast or else this would happen. Since we did go up, now for the next one we're gonna go down, and I'm gonna leave this here so it can just come off easy. Color is amazing. Y'all did y'all's thing when y'all came up with this color, because it's given. So it's already dry, as you can see, and we're gonna do stagger pulls for the cleanups with a little bit of the fur deodorant and just apply it. Oh my god, stop, don't judge me. Like up, and this one's kind of going like this way. Hard for me because I am right-handed and I can't really pull the blankets. So yeah, you want to pull the skin taut. And we're just gonna go up. So like I said, it's really hard because I'm doing it myself. So you just gotta go for it. Okay. Okay. That pretty much took everything on there. And you can look at all the roots that are on there, which means now my hair is gonna grow back really slow and thin. You just have to be very quick. All done now, and as you can see, literally left me hairless. Oh my god, the results were just amazing. And I would totally recommend this to every waxer. If you're a speed waxer, you need this. You have to move very quick, or else the wax will break on you, like it will crack on you. But it didn't do it to me, only in the beginning, because I didn't know. But it's very buildable, and this is a rosin-free wax. 10 out of 10. And I also love it because of the packaging. Look how pretty, and it matches with my